All indices closed in the green today in the stock market, but it's not exactly what you think it is. So let's talk about exactly why and what to look out for going into the trading day of Friday, August 28th. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an avid day trader and investor. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Everything is my opinion. But with that said, I trade the markets every damn day, so let's dive into it. So number one, what carried up all the indices today? That was solely NVIDIA, basically. Not a lot of stocks were making bullish moves today, except for tech and AI and semiconductors. And that's because NVIDIA reported earnings last night. I did a whole breakdown video on that. Their gain held, and they actually closed the day at 8% up. Keep in mind, NVIDIA has a $5.5 trillion market cap. That means about $440 billion was added to the market cap today for it to be up 8%. So when you ask why it carried indices and not everything else was bullish and how it does that, we're talking about $500 billion. That's how large NVIDIA is. 10-year treasury ended up 4.67 and oil was around $83.5 a barrel. Now here's what to look out for tomorrow. Keep a very close eye on the 10-year treasury because that's the quickest reaction to Kevin Warsh, our new Fed chair, speaking at Jackson Hole tomorrow at 10 a.m. Remember, what are traders and investors looking for when Warsh speaks at something like this? Basically, they're wondering if he's hawkish or dovish. Hawkish meaning leaning towards battling inflation, higher rates, more restrictive policy. Dovish being the polar opposite, staying the same, cutting rates, a little less restrictive policy, focusing on the labor market. However, do I expect this to be an overall giant market mover? I mean, no. Probably not, but if you see volatility around 10 a.m., that is why. I'm an active trader, so I trade around all of these things, and that's why I keep such a close eye. You can't fake what I do. I think you guys can tell that. I think that's why the page is growing so much. Just something to note, Marvell and Iron took a spill after earnings today. Marvell being semis, Iron being AI infrastructure. NVIDIA borderline reigniting the AI trade. If that really will follow through, can the AI trade sustain against the bond market? Frankly, the most bullish stuff in the market today had to do with crypto related stocks. BTC and Ethereum is continuing its rip, and crypto related stocks really benefited from that. Please stay tuned for my stocks to watch video going into the next day, and don't forget to like, follow, comment. I super appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and keep it green.